They're kind of the crazy emotions that we go through when we fall in and out of love. And they're the ones that are really hard to go through, they're hard to talk about, they're hard to burn. Red. Can we all talk about this? Can we all talk about there's a hat that he's wearing that has a cat on it? There's just all kinds of greatness happening here because he's incredibly injured. He got a very Nashville kind of injury last night.
Yeah, I was playing drums with 2 beer bottles and 1 smashed into my head.
Oh my god. It's like you were on Broadway, weren't you?
Yeah. No, I was in a trailer park.
You were in a trailer. We gotta play a song. This is just giving us a charge.
You good to go?
We can't go more about this. I love you. Now, you've been very, very generous by selling out 3 nights here, and so I felt like I feel like I have to do something very generous.
Thank you. Y'all like a dude. We have to do that again. Cause I don't know why, but with you I dance in my cat tank top. Fearless.
Oh, there's a video.
Yeah. I got a skull t-shirt on.
Oh, man.
And it's like super secret.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Real nice. Oh, you don't have.
Nope.
That's real.
It's real classy.
Here's something with you.
Anyways, okay, hang on one second.